Mira, young lady.
Excuse me. You need to come with us now.
Young lady.
Mira, come on.
Hey. Young lady.
Come
you
on.
come here right now.
Mira. Come on. You need to come with us.
Come on, young lady.
Excuse me. We don't have time for games.
Come on, Mira. Miss Mira.
All right.
Miss Mira, you come here.
I am tired of this.
What?
Who do you think you are?
Miss Mira. Come on. Oh.
That's a good... Excuse me.
You're gonna get her face. It's so cute.
What do you think you're doing?
Mira, you come back here.
Excuse me. I know that you can hear me.
Miss Mira, you come here right now. Miss Mira. Young lady.
All right. All right, I guess we're